And we're back to learning Illustrator in the year day 172. Let me show the symbol spinner tool. First up, we once again need the sprayer tool and the symbols menu. Once we've got it, left click on one of these symbols to select it. We stick with the magnifying glass and I size it a little bit up. Now I use the spinner tool, and when you left click on it, you get this arrow, and that indicates the direction to which it gets rotated. So the spinner tool is simply a rotation tool for symbols. You can do that in any direction, and when you hold the short keys, so Shift, Control, Alt, it doesn't make a difference. So just left click and then move the mouse to where you want to have it rotated. This also works on groups of symbols. And here all of them will be rotated. You can see when I left click on it, every single one gets one of these arrows and we rotate them in the same direction at once. This is how you can use the symbol spinner tool in Illustrator. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.